What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Hope you're doing well, feeling great, and enjoying freedom. It's a great day to have a great day. Today, I wanted to compare 90% silver to pure silver. Talk about some of the differences, some of the pros and cons, and which one makes the most sense to be stacking. We're going to get into it, but really quick, just in case you're new, make sure to subscribe for daily videos. Subscribe to my second channel for weekly videos. Get yourself some DYDSS merchandise to help support the channel. Try out some G Fuel Energy Formula, $5 off your first order by clicking the link in the description. And of course, make sure to go and get your up to 12 free fractional shares by downloading Webull and funding your account. For every friend you refer, they're going to give you 15 free fractional shares of some of the most rock-solid companies on the planet: Ford, Coca-Cola, Starbucks, Apple, the list goes on. Everything will be linked in the description. Okay, so when it comes to 90% silver compared to 3 nines or 4 nines fine pure silver, what's the difference? Right off the bat, to put it simply, nothing. There is no difference if you're stacking for weight. And that's because silver is silver at the end of the day. It really doesn't matter if it's pure silver. It doesn't matter if the coin is only 90%. It doesn't matter if the coin is 999 or 9999. It doesn't matter. Junk silver, pure silver, they have one thing in common. They're both silver. However, there are some differences. There are some things that one coin offers or one type of silver offers that the other one does not. There are some pros and cons, and the premiums are different depending on how you want to look at it or your method of stacking. There are some differences. So first things first, when it comes to the premiums, if you're stacking for weight, you're probably going to want to go after the lowest possible premium silver you can get your hands on. Makes sense. You want to get the most money for your currency. The best way of going about doing this, I personally believe, is by going for larger denomination pure silver bars. I'm talking about the kilo bars and up. The bigger the bar, the lower the premium per troy ounce. It's like wholesale versus retail, if that makes sense. But when it comes to fractional silver, this definitely has its pros and cons as well. Now, you can go for fractional pure silver rounds and bars. Wouldn't recommend doing that because the premiums are stupid. But you can go for 90% silver, like this over here, the junk silver, because in a weird way, you can argue that this is fractional silver. The $half up there at the top, the Walking Liberties, those are about 1/3 of a troy ounce of silver. If you need a troy ounce, grab 3 of them. Congratulations, that's a troy ounce right there, instead of grabbing Silver Eagle, which is a troy ounce. So you can go for 1 coin that is a troy ounce, or 3 coins that totaled up equal a troy ounce, give or take. Quarters, same thing applies. You would need 6 of them. Each silver quarter is about 1/6 of a troy ounce of silver. Dimes, same thing could be said, but it would take about 14 because each one of them is about 1/14 of a troy ounce of silver. About $1.40. You just can't reach that exact amount with quarters and $half. You need some dimes to do that. So you can go for $1/2, 2 quarters, that's 50 cents plus 50 cents right there, and 4 dimes, that's 40 cents. 50 cents, 50 cents, and 40 cents, that's $1.40. That right there, $1.40 face value equals about a troy ounce of silver. That right there is a troy ounce of silver broken up into smaller parts. It's like having a $100 bill versus a bunch of $5 bills or 10s or singles or 20s or 50s. It's just a different way of making change for a troy ounce or breaking a larger denomination piece of silver. You can make these transactions with silver the same way you would with dollars, the same way you would with currency. You can work with the money. So that's the big thing when it comes to pure silver versus junk silver. It's up to you which one makes the most sense. It's up to you which one you want to stack. It's up to you which one you want to collect, because you might not be stacking silver for the same reason I'm stacking silver for. At the end of the day, I think the best approach would be to get a little bit of everything, because you're going to want to diversify. Even if you have a preference, I think you should still pick up a little bit of what you don't exactly prefer, just for the sake of diversification. I want you guys to head on down to the comments and let me know anything and everything related to today's video topic. When it comes to 90% versus pure silver, which is your preference? If you could only pick one, would you go for 90% constitutional, or would you go for pure 3 nines, 4 nines fine silver? Head on down to the comments and let me know. If you guys like today's video, please hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, subscribe to my second channel, which is my backup channel for exclusive weekly content. Get yourself some DYDSS merchandise to help support the channel. Try out some G Fuel Energy Formula, $5 off by clicking the first link in the description. And of course, make sure to go and get your up to 12 free fractional shares by downloading Webull and funding your account. If you refer one friend, they're going to give you 15 free fractional shares. Some of the most rock-solid companies on the planet: Ford, Coca-Cola, Starbucks, Apple, the list goes on. Don't pass up on an opportunity. We will link in the description. Everything's linked in the description, and I want you guys to head on down to the comments and let me know one more time, what are your thoughts on 90% silver and pure silver? Which is your preference and why? Let me know in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you tomorrow. Don't you dare stop smiling. Peace.